Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this RasTech 27W power supply with switch for the Raspberry Pi 5. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. Here we have the power supply. So this is a gallium nitride power supply. Here on the bottom we have the specs. So this shows the different voltage ranges it has. Since this is PD, it can support 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, and I think 15 volts. So this has a switch on it. So one of the deficiencies with many power supplies for the Raspberry Pi is you have to unplug them to turn the Raspberry Pi off. This has a push button switch, so it clicks. Then of course we have USB-C on the end. Length on this power supply is right around 4 feet. So let's try it out. Plug it into power. It's showing 0 phantom draw. Let's click the button to turn it on or off. I'm not sure. Well, this is on. So there's an indicator light showing when it's on. So when it's on or off, it's showing 0. Let's plug this into my Pi. So it's going to plug it into the USB-C port. We can see it's off. Press the button. We have the green light. And now the Pi is booting. So we're all booted up. You can do whatever tasks you want to do on your Pi. Then when you want to turn it off, we'll go to the Raspberry Pi menu. We can go to log out, shut down. And now the Pi is still on and has power to it, but it's in a shutdown state. So to restart it, you actually have to unplug this and plug it back in with a traditional power adapter. But this one, we can just press the button to turn it off. Then if we want to turn on next time, we can press the button again. Now this is a USB-C power adapter with power delivery, so you can also use this to charge other devices. You could charge it to use smartphones, tablets, and other devices that charge with USB Type-C power delivery. So if you like to unplug a phone after you're done charging it, with something like this, you can just press the button to turn off power to it and leave it plugged in. So that's the RasTech 27W power adapter with switch for the Raspberry Pi 5. I really like having a switch on my Raspberry Pi power adapters. Makes it much easier to turn on and off. Over time, unplugging and plugging in a cord can wear it out. This mitigates that by having a switch. Being a gallium nitride power adapter, it's going to be energy efficient, and the size on this is nice too. It's not overly bulky. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.